Hi there, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you very quickly how to add collections to your Bumpa website via the Bumpa web app. To add a collection, simply navigate to products and then toggle on to collections. But before we create a collection, let me quickly explain what this is about. So collections are basically product categories that help you organize your products on your website. So if you sell, for example, if you sell skincare and you sell toners, you sell moisturizers, you sell sunscreen, instead of just uploading all of these products, you can create categories or collections for them. So someone can just go to your website and browse through sunscreens and pick whatever sunscreen they want, and then go to toners, pick whatever toner they want, just like that. So to create a collection, simply come to the button here that says create collection and click on it. And now you add an image. So the image is basically the group image for your collection. Now let's say I want to create a collection for t-shirts or for shirts. Now I'm going to add this image for my collections. So here you can choose to crop the image or rotate. Whatever you want to do, you can do. You can also choose to zoom in or out depending on what you want. Once you're done, click on save. And your image has been uploaded. Now the next thing to do is to give the collection a name. So let's say men's t-shirts, men's shirts. Great. So now we have men's shirts as the collection name. Next is to add a description, which is optional, but also just great for SEO. So typically advised that you add a description. Okay, so now when you've added the description, the next thing is to select the products. Now, if you've already uploaded these products, you can just select them, or you can also choose to add a new product. To learn how to add a new product to your Bumpa web app, simply check through this series and you'll find a video that shows you exactly how to do that in no time. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select products since I already have some products, and I'm going to pick a few things here just to add to my collection. And once you're done, you can click on save, and voila, this is simply how it is. You can always edit this at any point in time. So if you want to add more things or if you want to remove some things, you can edit that. And then once you're done, you click on save, and your collection is live. And that's it. So to view your collection on your website, just click on the view store button. And then you can see your new collection here. Once you click on this, you can see all the products that you have added to this collection. And it's just that simple. When customers come to your website, they just need to search through and find whatever they want. So as you can see, these are some of the collections on this website. And once you click on any of them, you would see the products in that category. And that's it, you're done.